Students, welcome back to our grammar class. First of all, I wish you a very happy new year to all my dear students. So today let's study Grammar Way Lesson 12 Simple Tenses. So all of you take your textbook, take page number 55, Grammar Way, page number 55, Lesson 12 Simple Tenses. So here in this lesson we are going to study simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense. Okay, so let's start with simple present tense. When can we use simple present tense? Where can we use simple present tense? So we use simple present tense to indicate an action that happens in the present time. Means that is going on at the time of speaking. For indicating present actions, we use simple present tense. The students wish to speak now. The teacher tells a story in the class. My grandparents live in Ahmedabad. Krish works in a firm. So all these are actions that is happening at the time of speaking. Okay, present actions. Now, simple present tense is used to indicate a situation that is permanent. For indicating permanent situations, we use simple present tense. For example, Varanasi stands on the banks of river Ganga. Stands, simple present tense. India is a part of Asia. Is, simple present tense. Okay, so we use simple present tense to indicate permanent situations. Then next is we use simple present tense to express general truths, universal truths, scientific truths. Okay, general truths, universal truths means the earth revolves around the sun. The stars shine in the sky. So revolves, shine. Then sun rises in the east. Sun sets in the west. These are all universal truths. For indicating universal truth or general truths, we use simple present tense. Okay. Then to express habitual actions. Habitual actions means to express our routines, our habits. We use simple present tense. Neha goes for a walk in the evening. Goes, simple present tense. Neeta and her friends study in the afternoon. Study, simple present tense. I wake up early in the morning. Then I brush my teeth every day. Brush, wake, etc. are simple present tense for indicating habits, habitual actions, routines. Not habits, habitual actions, or routines. We use simple present tense. Then we express a future action that is indicated by the context. If the context is indicated, we can use simple present tense to express a future action. Okay, our exams begin on Monday. Schools and colleges close in summer for the holidays. Begin, close, etc. Simple present tense. Then if we want to give instructions on how to do something, for giving instructions for doing something, we can use simple present tense. Take equal quantities of sugar and butter in a bowl. Take, then pour 2 cups of water in a kettle. Pour and take, simple present tense. Now let's study. So these are the situations where we can use simple present tense. Okay, now let's study how to form simple present tense. There is a particular form for each tenses. So simple present tense, how can we form simple present tense? Subject plus base form of the verb. Base form, B-A-S-E, base form of the verb. Subject plus base form of the verb. Subject plus base form of the verb. Base form means what? I'll give you an example. Eat. Ate. Eaten. Ate, eat, eaten. Eat is the base form or first form or root form of the verb. Base means first form or root form. So first, this way in simple present tense, we take this first form or base form of the verb. Subject plus base form of the verb is the form of simple present tense. Okay. Now one more thing you have to remember, that is if the subject is singular, we add s or es to the base form of the verb. That is, along with singular subjects and singular pronouns like he, she, it, we add s or es to the base form of the verb. If the subject is singular ആണെങ്കിൽ we add s or es to the base form of the verb. For example, look at here. He reads storybook. First example, he. Subject here is he. So he is singular. We all know he is singular pronoun. So we add what we have to add, yes to the base form of the verb read. If the subject is singular, we have to add s or es to the base form. That is the rule. Then she sings sweetly. She singular. So we have to add yes to the base form sing. Reena prays daily. Reena singular. So yes, we add yes to the base form pray. Then it barks at strangers. It singular. So bark base form plus s form. The giraffe eats. Giraffe singular. So eat base form. Then we have to add s. So with he, she, it and singular nouns, we add s or es to the base form. Okay. Then if the subject is plural, we have to use only the base form. No need of any change. We don't have to add anything. Just write the base form if the subject is plural. I read storybooks. I is singular, even then I is an exception. Along with I, we always use do form. Okay. Yes means does form. So I read storybooks. So with I, we use only base form. Okay. We sing. We is plural, so only base form. Then you also, we consider as along with you, we always give do form of the verb. That is base form. Then they shout. They plural, so shout. Reena and Jerry play in the park daily. Reena and Jerry plural, so do form play. So with I, we, you, they and plural subjects, we use the root or base form of the verb. No change, just add root form or base form of the verb. Okay. Now let's do exercises given in your textbook, page number 56. Okay, first question. The magician dash out a silk scarf from the hat and dash it into the rabbit. So the magician is singular. So we have to add yes to the base form pull. So pulls. And turn, turns. അടുത്തത് the children dash at the tricks of the magician. The children is plural. So we don't have to add yes. Just write the base form. The children laugh at the tricks of the magician. Then they dash the magic show. They plural. So they enjoy the magic show. Then the magician is singular. So magician calls a little girl to come up on the stage. Okay. Then he singular. So gives sagam. Okay. Then he dash the girl. He ask yes, daddy, because he is singular. The girl to place the bouquet on the table and covers it with a cloth. Then the audience, it's a collective noun, so the audience watches the show. Watch, es, add es, the show with bated breath. Then they wonder. They is plural, so no need to add s or es, so wonder, base form. The magician dash wave, magician is singular, so waves his magic wand over the cloth 3 times and then removes it suddenly. Removes, ves. Okay. Then rewrite these sentences, correcting the errors in them. Okay, so there are some mistakes in that sentence, so we have to correct it. The sun set in the west. The sun is singular, though, so the sun singular ആയതുകൊണ്ട് sets in the west. Nitin go to school every day. Nitin singular, so Nitin goes to school every day. My friend and I plays in the park in summer. Plays alla as a plural subject, play. The trees plural, so look, not looks. Then the water in this pond remain cold throughout the year. Remains here, remains. Then the moon had no light. The moon has no lights. Then there went the famous poet waving. There went there goes the famous poet. So this plane flew from New York to flies. This plane flies. Flies. This plane is singular, so flies. Okay, here you have what answer key. So make use of this answer key for completing your exercises. So try to do it your own. Okay, now let's study one more portion, simple past tense. So where can we use simple past tense? So simple present tense we already studied, then simple past tense. So it is used to indicate an action that happens in the past, or it is used to express what habitual actions that that existed in the past. Past actions, for indicating past actions we use simple past tense. Okay, then how to form the simple past tense? Subject plus did form of the verb. Did form or second form of the verb. In a simple past tense we always take second form of the verb. In simple present tense we take base form or first form. Simple past il varumbo second form of the verb. So look at here, some examples are given here. Eat, ate, eaten. This is first form, this is second form. So in simple past tense we take the second form. Write, wrote, written, this is the second form. Did form എന്ന് പറയും. Did plus write, wrote. Did plus eat, ate. Did plus go, went. Break, here second form, broke. Go, went, gone, went, second form. Did form. Then spoke, called. ed ചേർത്ത് baked, liked. So in simple past tense we take second form or did form of the verb. Okay, വേർബിനെ നമ്മൾ സെക്കൻഡ് ഫോമിലാക്കി ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്ത് വേണം എഴുതാനായിട്ട് സിമ്പിൾ പാസ്റ്റ് ടെൻസിൽ. ഓക്കെ, സോ ലുക്ക് അറ്റ് ഹിയർ, ഫിൽ ഇൻ ദ ബ്ലാങ്ക്സ് വിത്ത് എ സിമ്പിൾ പാസ്റ്റ് ഫോം. സിമ്പിൾ പ്രസൻറ്റ് കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുകയാണ്. വി ഹാവ് ടു ചേഞ്ച് ഇറ്റ് ഇൻ ടു സിമ്പിൾ പാസ്റ്റ് ടെൻസ്, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ബൈ ആഡിങ് ഇ ഡി ഓർ സെക്കൻഡ് ഫോം. ഓക്കെ, മിത ഡാഷ് സ്വിമ്മിങ് ഡ്യൂറിങ് ദ സമ്മർ മന്ത്സ്. എൻജോയ് ആണ്, സോ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് സിമ്പിൾ പാസ്റ്റ് ടെൻസ്. വി ഹാവ് ടു ചേഞ്ച് ദിസ് ഇൻ ടു സിമ്പിൾ പാസ്റ്റ് ടെൻസ്, സോ ആഡ് ഇ ഡി or did. Enjoy, did plus enjoy ആണ് enjoyed. Okay, the dark clouds gathered in the sky, so add ed, g. Okay, then the soldiers marched, ed. Okay, we dash decorate ആണ് കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത്, so decorated. Okay, ed. Then the principal spoke. Principal spoke. So regular verb and irregular verb ഉണ്ട്. Regular verb ആണ് ed ചേർത്ത് വരുന്നത്. Irregular verb എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ it's completely different. Eat, ate, eaten, speak, spoke, spoken, write, wrote, written. ഇതൊക്കെ irregular ആണ്. But ed ചേർത്ത് വരുന്നതിന് regular. That is very easy for you. Then here this is irregular verb. Spoke patiently to Naveen and listened ചേർത്താൽ മതി. The teenage girl dived ed into the river to save the drowning child. Then Shreya dashed the old woman. Shreya helped. Then the truckers dash up the steep hill slowly. Truckers walked. Okay, here your answer key is given. So from second, this is not from second onwards. Okay. So write all the exercises in your textbook. Don't make any mistakes. If you have any doubt, you can ask it through our group, English grammar group. Okay, that's all for today. We'll continue the rest of the lesson in the next class. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.